extra entertainment show no na and also Tasabadi and another woman. Wama, if you that apapro about it. Thank God it's Friday. Na a betum Komaka Yaboko entertainment world and when you feel there. Shatawell that send out to President Donald Trump, so they are Chagana for work with the Shambana. Especially for musicians and Parliament musicians on US bill. I sent to Venice at the world of Canamasa. And you had a Pacific Watson or say, maybe Obapa or Dana Samutu for the Bayan Tonka Uba. Because in their music and a lot on Sadara on Cricket Papa Farmer and paying for and the music and Abba said, or yeah, more from Johnson necessarily. Entertainment to every pair no them on the bridge to survey and take with a Pacific on Kaya Uber driver. Now, Asami, it was a more in Fidel, no one but some be now so it did a Pacific musician. Macoma so idea, Papa Nossa there. Asama, maybe by a Muslim ambassador of Asamka, by a minor catcher. Obafa, Obafana, we don't come on a manga. No, I Uber driver, no, we have the taxi. No, for passengers per way. Into Uber, the Tony there, we are going to drop it. Into access to internet and na papa na Google Ram na ya abe actually go wala no so abo Academy of Christ the King from ACK school in Cape Coast here na ya back one of the schools we watch pa Cape Coast we to man as week ya yempe funo enyi bi no bonko we are Yaboko UCC Music Department performance art in the record. No so any Ushafano between come. It's another Ushama for what's up back with the sun and that we are in the Central Entertainment Show. Yawo Pinara Yatamo. Na answer na Mumbai in Wakakado, non farmer or bigger piece in Oyen Lumen, only beefer in the Abba Abuto Banolo. Na Lumena. What to be Odama big place on 9 day say and Lamabi on Kolua Braboma ma the way Nasam ma big place in Yanagin there or with Sikasi on or yellow win or with Cassin by yellow win. Na Lumena say in Yesica and I'm no Nemo Mancrophone Kawasa Papa. Ono no chede ampa ere eduma no zebusia sa ya be sase na yeti da mon komo na ansa mama nda mo hura na yaba nkomo twitwi do ho so from kitchen the big la we are no do love relationship I no do the big la we are no do love me I boss, she no beating my boss. Give am round of applause. I'm gonna be say you want me no boss. I don't do these things by force, but the mind on some flaws. Relationship I don't do. If you touch me, I touch you. If you get to class, I go school low. So no matter if me I touch you, we go enter one the car I want you. I'm gonna evidence against you. I'm single, I'm not searching. I'm tired of the talking. I'm only for the money. Come and fit to walk up on. I'm single, I'm not searching. I'm tired of the talking. I'm only for the money. Come and fit to walk up on. Relationship I don't do. The deal I be I don't do. Me only for my relationship I don't do. The deal I be I don't do. Zeri, only one, Zeri dear. Zeri, only one, Zeri dear. Zeri, only one, Zeri dear. The legendary, the legend. Dinaka, bang, dinaka. Otega.
Costa TV, Jimmy for Fire that by Action in Puntu. It's about development. you discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. Mpuntu sama offer Kepus, baby will be a Mpuntu sama offer. Or your one and answer there or Saturday or the Mpuntu, or the baby on a year in Fubana over Trasi. The way and what the man. Or your one and answer the Dozin Puntu Baba Kepus, one and answer the Dozin Puntu Baba Central Region, one and answer the Dozin Puntu on Baba Gani Minara. Mpuntu sama offer Kepus, baby will be a Mpuntu sama offer. Or your one and answer the there or Saturday or the Mpuntu, or the baby. In the P and a but Nasi, women down of Pediara. Live ever CoStar TV. CoStar TV, your own face, your own voice. No, may you see my
big quiz, it's na or catch on winning there. Fitty Bella will win back or your movie industry. Big beer or a leading role. Big beer, movie beer, we will be a leading role. Into no chair, ono okita, soon be, and or the movie. Now, some of bigger quiz can honor now, wash and win and win so. What to do, damn and no, and up. Nemo, in you ya, you be my share. Honor when you be yet, incident paying far off in and also woman the move who play. Now, fitting about movie industry. We'll be a way player, producers, and other directors. What kind of wine are you? The piano Jananado, and it's a bigger quiz or Canada, no, or Tanana. Them not the win or a cat Nassam. Now, pay attention, pray Titia, the man be free a crack as our kicky bouncer, Wakasa from there. Opinion crow war, yeah, the more prior group on the moon. Now you were a bench for the Quan Master. Madame Quan Master and the kicky basins, the Quan Master, what a so prior for women. Yes, what's a prior? Nine chair, where you know, and then we will shall far. One somebody, group on the queen papa. There's a group of papa, yeah. Now, oh yeah, Quan Master, not old man, or not at all. Prior for women, and they knew prior, Libya, and say, now what's in. It was a young phone see a best about the ability the monk common. Now, you prefer there. Academy of Christ the King. I can say for or school or where now academy school will be the oil SRC. The penny are able to marry. Now, yes, I company for our butcher chunk. Now, son, young Pomposha or 2024. One SRC Kawudino. Young Posha highlight Kakraba. Yaba, nye oye entertainment prefect, school prefect, no nye oye media team ni nano yanyo abonkoma ahwe 2025 ebanaze na obugosi the SRC week celebration. Yem kwa 2024 yem resisia.
Toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energies, I run it up. Yeah, got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of. Give me a wine and a whole lot of. Who you are, don't forget. Oh, this one you are, don't forget. Oh, who you are, don't forget. Oh. 10 times I'm in the pocket, I'm in love. The half of net, I can't import in me low. More kilos, I can see and go on, or some more. 10 times I'm in the pocket, I'm in love. The half of net, I can't import.
And see, it was your own Academy of Christ the King, SHS school, no, 2024. Kakraba na Yapan, na Ebusiafono, Abakansa, Mamma Kwaba. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Upon assistant school prefect, Abi. Yeah, Bobo was na some competition. Mamma ladies first. Why me? Or fraud no position.
Please, I respond to the name Antoinette Ajiman. and I'm the girls' entertainment prefect.
Wow.
I'm also Boachi Kofi Samuel, deputy head prefect.
Boachi Kofi Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Good.
And I go by the name Sani Nazifa Adi, protocol prefect of Academy of Christ the King, also a member of the media team.
Wow. Ebusia, I mean, another minimal digital 514, and Go Teams which are 54, and St. Edwin, St. Augustine, Channel 22. Musrawa, and your body bluff crack, and Mama Hall, Emu, and a Yabu, and I want to say a putoa, Mama Hall cry, Papa and Mammy, you are more from na ye de Miss Saturday, Yenumbe, school now, one adusua na wode oye ahosapel agudi na adusua wode bom mandama akoyi ya nti say ye potoa mama ho nkra ye fafa from na obeye yeah school prefect jambra wodo Academy of Christ the King ye ka school no asama otida wo hen wo kekosa
Basically, the school is located at Abra.
Abraham Fadam. Ya tete se sha no tena Abra no Academy no Abra abadidin kasepa. Uzande se kede yeko Abra ana ye kede pa Academy pe Abra. Da tena mo bro no ni na no school na abaje aboni din nafa. Wow. Eti mo bra entertainment prefect. Mami Elsasi week. Why the Bobad? Why Elsasi week celebration?
Okay, so every year, every school celebrates an SRC week because it's not only learning. We also have to engage ourselves in entertainment to keep us going. That's why we organize SRC week.
Wow. It's Madam Protocol. And say you do SRC week. Wabra ye adusiafo na awofo bia bele musuade wa dai atechefo no na hin student no ye gitum de ye play entertainment about
Like my colleague said here, you know, all sorry, like what she said right now, all work and no play makes Jack so you see, yeah. So in the course of learning, the process of learning, there have to be entertainment too, which you know, we have to refresh our brain. We have to refresh our brain. You see, it's not about learning all the time. It's not about book. You know, and this SRC it involves talent show and stuff. So during the course of that SRC, we can learn new things from others. We get to showcase our talents as well.
Oh yeah, into no say no today school na yaro kono mpemfunara wo school no bobo ade no manye hu de nya adusuanku no ma sadwa yinya obrompan nya adusuanku nya etiti na emom wo da fonfom ho ye ilisua de na ye gi yenwa kakra yije kakra fom ho yesua de no edema ye jago so but ye sepa ye ho kakra so ye da kan until SRC week na wo bad.
Yes.
Now head assistant head yamba this year SRC celebration abetim na odada ojeji SRC celebration.
So the theme goes this way: make your mark, shape the world.
Make a mark.
Make your mark, shape the world.
Wow. Make your mark and shape the world. So today mawo aye student yade ye bibi feja na me wiade hu da mpa oso aye bibi. Wow. Ebusafo ye no from Academy of Christ the King we be one SRC week na nkomotwetwe why the obodo iyi chede za worusua wo oye suku woni na no inya da worusua de worhwe de worusua de wode adesua potin na mom worusua de na no wori jihunenwa dem ro be ya enyije no a wori jine beebi no won kafa adwini ne gina do na mom wode enyije ne beebi wo suku wo na ma ho no so we hu da mpa ye suku no so yesua de ye di enwa yesua de ye gina no nya so da kan nta fi da wo de no no ho etifa san na we taste one or the amani nti membra entertainment prefect nti ote da no programs obokodo no on the activities ni bi on it.
Okay, so on Wednesday is the launching of the SRC week, and with the launching, we are going to have cadet display, cultural display. We are going to have cake cutting and speech by dignitaries. And on Thursday in the morning, we are going to have Jesse on Gents.
Wow.
And some small games to make the show lively. And also in the evening, we are going to have candle night and bonfire.
Wow. Hey, it's a celebration. Onya Abuja Oyenda Kuro. At least 4 days. So what's that? Wednesday and Tuesday. Wednesday. The Wednesday no be sensitive. Luncheon.
Wednesday is the luncheon.
Yes.
Thursday morning. It's just James with games.
Wow. No Jesse no rap your Jesse no Abba teams.
Yes. If you support Basa, you wear Basa.
Wow.
If you support Juve, you wear Juve.
Hey. Wonderful. Hey, now we must support Agwasama no e buso dress go. Mashe about this no daba. It's support Kumasa Santi Kotokosa. The best in this no. To Accra had to focus also about this. Wonderful. It's a wonderful. I can never catch the king one day. Assassin celebration Wednesday no assassin. Madam work and you take me pay and oracle. Madam protocol. Apart from Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and activities.
Okay, so on Friday in the morning we're going on a float. We start from town, that's where the hostel old school was. We start from there to the new site. Yes.
On your foot.
That's the food. Yes.
From is it Kotokrab or Bakano? Yes. It's from Bakano to Abra.
Yes.
No, Ubotu.
Yeah, we did it.
Yes. Hey. Is it Erusafu when you are Kakana Yanko and Koshe Yenyodo Adibiwo or Inferido Sunday Atisa what a Saframa or a bar or is it Atis night?
Yes, Atis night.
Atis night on Saturday.
That is on Saturday.
Yankoshe Nelis Kakra na Yambre Sisia Yankoshe Brasisia. Na answer no ebusa answer no eboko oye artist no no mama misa match ba Friday no be fruiting na Saturday morning no activities be no be answer e bre no waye.
So Saturday morning we have Fusion 2.5. That is the actual, that is the actual fun. But before that, in the morning, we have drama that they will be performing by the students. Drama. We also, yes, we also have a speech to be delivered by the head prefect. We also have other various performances. That's from the.
Please hold on. Is it going to be a deba in the morning or?
No, we will start from the morning. And
okay.
So I think from the in the morning till in the afternoon, we jamming and be doing other games before we get to the actual program.
Wonderful.
Yes, please.
Wonderful. It was my uncle, my share artista or a Imperial woman. The Imperial Wallace, you are some be you will sit there, or more comfortable artist in the umbrella, almost support and Umbijum for the night. My uncle share is
back in my powerless, thunder syrup. I'm coming with my squad here, we storm that syrup. Ha. Syrup. Ha. Syrup. Hey, since a little boy, I've been a meanings. Hey, Wagwan, on the 28th of June, I'm live at Academy of Christ the King. You all should pull up. I can't wait to see you all. We active with high school clique. Don't miss it. Pull up. Love. Back in my powerless, thunder syrup. I'm coming with my squad here, we storm that syrup. Ha. Syrup. Ha. syrup. Hey, since a little boy, I've been a meanings. Hey, Wagwan, on the 28th of June, I'm live at Academy of Christ the King. You all should pull up. I can't wait to see you all. We active with high school clique. Don't miss it. Pull up. Love.
Musician, I said I know papa. Did I want to watch him? Mom called the Temple Prophet. I would even musician only one or
The musician is called Larusso.
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 Larusso. Wonderful. Okay.
He's half North and half Ghana.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Ever since we general work.
Okay. The reason why we took Larusso is he has hit songs that will pull crowd for the school.
Wow.
And also the school will love Larusso song. Yes.
Okay. It's a remember I had bought that's the awards night to be booked. Is it the same night and another different from the night?
That's Friday night. After the float, we'll go back, change ourselves, and prepare for the proms and awards night.
Wonderful.
Yes.
So awards night in by awards about awards in the
Yeah, we have it comes in categories, and we have famous students of the year, photogenic students of the year, best house, best dancer, so on and so forth.
Wow.
So depending on what you are contesting for.
Good. And so I want to ask awards no hindi na what that where contestant awards. Is it the best dancer or
no? I'm actually vying for famous students of the year and photogenic students.
Famous student of the year. Wow.
And photogenic students of the year.
Wow. What I want to say.
Please, as for me, I'm not in the awards.
Actually, I'm also not vying for any.
Why? Is it because we executives into one pay? What do about what's in that passion and there? Executives in one farm?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. It was a common wire dog. Now, Mamco, you busy back home. You busy community back home. But today, oh yeah, a payna, one religion. Na our ba, remember sir, the Temple Prophet. Now let's ask you, is it only act from Cotton, student award, Academy of Christ that can only put in will be and then there. On any unknown, our war between St. Augustine's, Holy Child, are they invited?
Please, it's not ACK, it's ACK.
ACK, okay.
Please, not only for ACK. And SRC means Student Representative Council.
Okay.
So other students from other schools can also come and join us. So we celebrate together. It's not only for ACK.
So, but remember, sir, have you been invited? Moment to suffer, and be there. One brand. How the school want to suffer?
As for the school, we are writing a letter, so we are on it. We are on
Okay. Until one hour, over the one hour, about to go one over celebrate celebration. Wow. A point to do. I want to know. It's a shuffle. My player son of Kosher 2024. Or yeah, money Elsa celebration. Young Kosher can send by Yaba at the competition about you. Now, yeah, tell so that the competition will be your son with students. To look on the cushion and what prepare for other activities. About Yanda on this year.
I say I put in 10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energies around here. Yeah. Got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole lot of who you are, don't forget. Oh. Listen to what, don't forget. Oh. Who you are, don't forget. Oh.
Then times I'm in the pocket, I'm in love. They have a net, I can't import in me low. More kilos. I can see I'm going, or some more. Then times I'm in the pocket, I'm in love. They have a net, I can't import.
10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energy surrounding her. Yeah. Got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole lot of
Who you are, don't forget. Oh. This one you are, don't forget. Oh. Who you are, don't forget. Oh. Then times I'm in the pocket, I'm in late. They have a net, they can't import in me low. More kilos. I can see I'm going or some more. Then times I'm in the pocket, I'm in late. They have a net, they can't import.
I say I put in 10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energy surrounding her. Yeah. Got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole lot of
Who you are, don't forget. Oh. This one you are, don't forget. Oh. Who you are, don't forget. Oh. Then times I'm in the pocket, I'm in late. They have a net, they can't import in me low. More kilos. I can see I'm going.
Atlassian Costa Television, the get at 554 Facebook Live. Now, Pat Boniface, Indo University, pass. That's for Papa. Now, it would have brother as a week pass. I can of kind the king was over charm. Aha, what's over charm this brother. Wonderful Papa. There was also Edwin about teaching. Pat Boniface or Indo University of Technology. Was our baby. It's a yes, I'm praying. It was saying to come to children now and check very number on fine check. Head get pa tell me maybe on yet, mammy, papa. Yeah, it's a sassy weekend, but tough from him, name for your competition, your family.
So, Academy of Christ that came SRC 2025, it will commence on the 25th of June 2025 to 29th of June 2025. Trust me, the event is going to be exclusive, so make sure you don't miss out.
That's it. It was only head girl. Come, fair for the man. It's in the room, but mother now, also for wishing. The table perfect. In
Okay, so my last words are the SRC. One person cannot celebrate SRC. That is why we came together as students and a team to celebrate it. So we are inviting everybody to it to make it a whole big mega SRC. Thank you.
But that's all. Head boy.
Since we are all students, those that will be coming around, we will beg them not to come and cause chaos over there. Because we don't want to end anybody in prison. So everybody is invited, but they should come in their rights and sense.
But that's all. Protocol.
Okay, so the SRC is going to be lit with various activities and performance, both entertaining and educating. So I'm going to urge you all to not miss out. Okay.
And that's it. But before that, head boy, when you said the money, what's something to know with the general Sunday, you go to Ma and perform Bohana and Bayam Sosa. Now, security wise, the police are informed or
yes.
Okay. It's no. You're changing Konaba and your shop on the Yaba will be secure.
So all I can say is that everything is secure. The police will be around. So if you end yourself up in trouble, we'll just send you to the police station.
Wonderful. It's it. Yeah, head there.
And also, we want to invite all our courses to join us celebrate this SRC.
The old student.
Yes, please.
Wow. I want it to meet you. I
humbly invite all our courses to join us celebrate this SRC. It's going to be tremendous. So all our courses, please join us.
Thank you. It was Academy of Christ the King, ACK, when I competition in the on the head boy you can, or you are not school for when I'm busy in the world busy. Yes, no, me, yes, no, I will be right wide in there for holding the vigilant about what you call for the wall. Black and white, also war, maybe to be a big mark on pepe, when we won't touch it. Nah, but we say the wood, you know, and peg never die or and uncle, who did one after ma, one year you did one hour. And see, ah, the year or yeah, I can advertise the king, one else as we could competitors. Yes, this. Then I am right about that here, Central Entertainment Show. The conversation.
I say I put in 10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energies around here. Yeah, got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole lot of
who you are, don't forget. Oh, listen to what, don't forget. Oh, who you are, don't forget. Oh, then times I'm in the pahet and me lay. They have a net, I can't import in me low. More kilos, I can see and go or some more. Then times I'm in the pahet and me lay. They have a net, I can't import.
I say I put in 10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energies around here. Yeah, got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole lot of
who you are, don't forget. Oh, listen to what, don't forget. Oh, who you are, don't forget. Oh, then times I'm in the pahet and me lay. They have a net, I can't import in me low. More kilos, I can see and go or some more. Then times I'm in the pahet and me lay. They have a net, I can't import.
I say I put in 10 toes, now I don't blow. If that chick bad, I go carry her. My neck is cold, I don't condone. No bad energies around here. Yeah, got a whole lot of vibes and a whole lot of bad girls and a whole lot of give me a wine and a whole